Hi diamond painters, so tonight I am going to be bringing you an unboxing video of a brand new company. They just started out and I'm very excited about unboxing this one, so that way you can see what's in the new company's box. It is on Etsy, so stay tuned to find out what this new company is and the unboxing video. Okay guys, so I am going to be unboxing this diamond painting from a new diamond company. She is on Etsy. It is Trueartistdp, and her shop name is Trueartistdp on Etsy. It came from Bridgewater, New Jersey. She has a couple of pictures up right now. She has about 10 pictures. This one was released just last weekend. It is a licensed art. She does license her artwork, and it is a poured glue. It is a 60 centimeters by 80 centimeters from Lam Jasmine. And let's get into an unboxing video, okay? So we're going to unbox it now. This is a triangle box. So most diamond paintings come in a regular square box. This one came in a triangular box, and it does have a big, huge pink sticker that says "Handle with care, do not fold or crush," but it does look like it got through a little bit of something through the mailbox, through the mail. So let's get into unboxing this. Let me get the tape off. Here it goes. So a triangle package for a square diamond painting. So we got some tissue paper. Let's throw that off to the side. And we got some goodies. Oh, and a note. Is that everything in there? So it does not come in a box. This is the only box it comes in. And let's see. We got some goodies. We got a face mask, a black pearl mask pack. Okay, we got, looks like it came off a little bit, but we got a sticky thing. I do not personally use these. I don't even know how to use these, but I think it's if you tilt your table a little bit, you can stick it on there and your tray won't tilt or anything, but I use kind of the small ones. Some Swedish fish, Starburst, some candy treats, and then we got a card in here. So like I said, this is a new company. The card is her company name. So the artist diamond painting appreciative. Okay, so that's her logo, but she is the True Artist DP. Ooh, we got some stickers in here. So we got Nope, and I love this one. This one's very pretty. So we got Nope, and we got like a little succulent, and oh cool, so I didn't know this come in here, but we got a little picture of what the diamond painting is, and then we got a Karate Kitty, which is actually fun because she doesn't know, but I actually took Taekwondo when I was younger and became a second-degree black belt, so that's pretty cool. Then she has a little thing in here about the artist. About Lam. So here's the artist information that came with it about the artist. She picked up a paintbrush for the first time in 2020, so that's amazing. Glimpse into the world that draws from the appreciation of dance, the human form, which is neat because I am a dance teacher. So I was really excited about this one because I've been watching and looking for different dance pictures, and I just haven't seen one that caught my eye. And when I saw this one, I loved it, and I wanted to get it. I just had to get it. So in the card, it actually says, you know, True Artist Diamond Painting. But again, on Etsy, it's True Artist DP. So not diamond painting, but DP. So that's pretty neat. Nice little card. Alright, so let's get into the canvas. So like I said, it did not come in a box, so it is tissue papered, wrapped again in her logo stuff, made with licensed artwork and care. So again, just her sticker and her licensed stuff, and tissue paper. Whoops, that I just ripped. Of course, who has plenty of tissue paper? So it is a little smushed, but it'll be okay. Alright, so the back of it is like a felt. It's not as soft as DAC, but it's not as thick as a Diamond Dots one. It's not, so it's a little soft. And we're going to go this way. So there's a little few creases in it that should flatten out. So again, this is a bigger one. Okay, it is supposed to be a 60 by 80. So we'll unroll it and let it sit out a little bit. So as you can see, there are some creases in the back of the canvas. These lines are the creases that should come out fine if you lay it underneath a bed mattress or roll it the other way. And usually you cannot see it when you diamond paint because the drills are heavy enough on it. So it is a pretty big one. So you got your standard toolkit. You got just a regular single placer blue pen. You got your boat, your white boat, and 2 waxes. Now this pink wax is lucent, so you can see through it. So I know some people like that kind of wax better than the other kind of pink wax. I just use whatever I have, because that's me. So, and then we got the drill colors. And I think this one has, let's look, 31 colors in it. So this is very long. Usually they're packed up a little bit better than that, but and 2 ABs. And the 2 ABs are 666, which is a red, and then 5200, which is the white. So you got a white AB and a red AB. Now, a good range of color. Trying not to mess anything up. But you got 3 packs of 154. You got 152. Now these drills do look like the shape of most other companies' drills, Art Dot drills or Diamond Art Club drills. So they're pretty good drills. They look pretty good. So go through them really quickly. Got your 152, your 154s, okay, your 310s. So we got not too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 310s. I'm just going to turn it around so you can actually see some of the colors. 5 bags of 310s. You got purple, a gray, a darker purple, a pink, the lighter pinks, the reds. You got green, orange, more green. You got another purple, purplish blue, blue. You got more blue. You got the 803. 807, I like the 807. I'm a big bluish green fan. More red. So you do have 3 packs of 817s. You got 3 packs of 820s. So there's your 820s. You got like a pine green. So you got pine green, which looks black right now, but it's actually a pine green. You got your browns, more grays, more blues. So 2 bags of, I think that's supposed to be $9.95. The other 9 as you can see, there it goes. Don't see that 9. So then you got some more pinks. And then your last one, you got this purpley, like grayish color. Lilac color. Some more blue. Another one, and then your 2 AV drills. You got your red AV drills. You can see the extra sparkle, and your white AV drills, okay? So these look good drills. Doesn't look like there's too many trash drills in here. So that's good. And as you can see, a mixture of colors. So not too many of dark colors or too many light colors. A good mixture of colors. Let me just fold this up a little bit. Put it off to the side. And we'll get to looking at the canvas. So I'm super excited, like I said, to see this canvas. I felt like this one was a pretty decent rendition of the artwork. And a very pretty dance one. Like I said, I've been looking for a dance one. I just haven't seen one that caught my eye. And when I saw this one, it just, I don't know, it spoke to me. Although I'm not really a ballerina person. But most of the artwork done is of ballet because it's just a beautiful art form. But I'm more of a jazz, hip-hop, faster type flow girl. Slow is not my motto. So, I'm a little bit of a faster dancer. So, here is, let me turn it this way. It is very big. Now, to kind of tell you, let me show you as it's folding back up. Here's the picture. So, as you can see, the black and the purple is a butterfly. So, it's flowers in the background with just color in the back. With the ballerina standing on point on a bubble. So, it's a water bubble. And you got 2 little like water lilies there. And then that's a butterfly on the background, okay? And then, I'm sure on the diamond painting it might not show as well in this picture, but if you actually see, there's another butterfly right here in the water splash, okay? And then you just got some flowers in the background. So it is a very, very pretty picture. And this is what it looks like dotted, okay? So, I mean, I'm a blue person, so I loved her dress. I felt like they will hopefully do pretty good on the point shoe. However, it might just be more of her skin-looking thing. We'll have to see when it's dotted because I'm looking here. So, I don't think you're going to be able to tell that it's a point shoe. You're just going to be able to tell it's a shoe. So, you won't see, like, the cross too much. But, I mean, it might be great. I don't know. So, it is a very big one. And see, here's these water lilies. And then I was talking about here. I don't know if you can see it in the rendition. But this is the butterfly. Okay. So, that is what that is. And I was afraid that was going to be a lot of black. But, let's see, that's H. So, H is the black. And then, right here, it has purples in it. Okay, so the black is the outline of the butterfly, and inside has the purple. And then, see, here's the water splash. We'll have to see how that comes out to see if you can actually see the other butterfly. But the bubble, let me roll it up a little bit. The bubble looks great. You can see the bubble on her point shoe. You can see the water lilies, the leaves, okay, and the water. And then, of course, when you get up here, you can see the background. Pretty colors right here. So this one has a little bit of color blocking and a little bit of confetti. So like right in here, there's some confetti. This color blocking. So it's not too much confetti, not too much color blocking. So it's going to be a good mixture. This probably won't take too long. My table is dirty. But let me show you, let me roll it up, and show you how clear the symbols are. Okay? If it comes in, if I can get it clear. Let me show you guys. And it's not focusing. Focus. There it goes. Oh, I had it. Ah, there you go. So it kind of focuses in. As you can see. There. Oh, but yes. They are very clear symbols. Very clear. They do have a slight guide circle around them. I don't think it's too much of a guide circle, but I don't really care what it is or not. But it's not like an actual circle. It's just like a light but lighter background, if that makes sense. So right here in the darker blues, I'm hoping those are all the same color. It looks like it, because it is 820, and it is a little hard, but I'm sure it'd be easier to see with my light pad. It is a little hard to see that symbol, but as long as that's the only symbol, you can tell that that's the only color, because yeah. But like I said, with the light pad, it's probably going to be easier to see. But yeah, everything is very clear. Now let me make sure nothing's on my hand. So it is poured glue, and oh yes, very, very sticky. So very sticky poured glue. You do have your company name on top, the True Artist DP. You have your key chart over here, and then there is another key chart down at the bottom. Okay, it stops rolling. So since it keeps rolling, we're going to do this. We're going to roll it the other way. See, like I said, you can still see these lines, but that should be okay after either, sometimes what I do is I let them just hang in my closet, so that way they just kind of unfold themselves. But sometimes I put them on books, or I've heard people say they put them under their mattress, so that way it lays flat. So, unroll it. There we go. See, it's already starting to lay flatter. But you can see even here where the creases are, but that should take care of itself when you're doing it. So it does have, I can't talk, the person's name. So this is, it says Transformations by Lam Jasmine, and her last name. And then it does have, you know, the guarantee over here. So again, it is licensed. Now let's see if it's this measure. I can only find my son's measuring tape, so we'll have to see. So it's supposed to be 80 by 60 or 60 by 80 centimeters. And let me guess, this is not going to have centimeters on it. No, it's not. Well, we'll just tell you what it is in inches. So it's about 31.5 inches this way, and about 23.25. No, it's a little bit short of 23.5 that way. Okay, so I don't have centimeters, but it's probably correct, or you can transform. But I just wanted to show you guys, I'm very happy with the company so far. I will come on after I finish it and do a post review. I am going to try to do this one next, after I finish the one I'm working on. But check out her website. She's getting new ones a couple times. She has some restock, and she does ship internationally now. So the drills are good, the renderation's good, the arts looks wonderful, the size is great, and you do get a little picture, and I think she does maybe have some squares. But go check her out. I'll link her website down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of unboxing this new diamond painting company, True Artist DP, poured glue, and on a little softer kind of like felt background canvas. Okay, go check her out, and please give me a thumbs up on my YouTube videos and subscribe to my channel.